Today, we will continue learning vocabulary related to different types of activities. So let's get started. Say these words with your English voice. Spinning. Spinning. This is to ride an indoor bicycle to exercise. Cards. Cards. This is a set of 52 small rectangular pieces of stiff paper, each with a number and one of 4 signs printed on it, used in games. Clubbing. Clubbing. Clubbing is to go out dancing in clubs. Bowling. Bowling. Bowling is a game played inside in which you roll a heavy ball down a track to try to knock down a group of pins. Tall, thin wooden objects. Photography. Photography. This is the activity or job of taking photographs. DIY. DIY. This means do it yourself. It's the activity of decorating or repairing your home or making things for your home yourself, rather than paying someone else to do it for you. Drawing. Drawing. This is the act of making a picture with a pencil or pen, or a picture made in this way.